This video is going to look at the Summary by Category report, which is located under the Market Reports menu option. Now, when you make the selection, you're going to get a default view of a high-level market report. You can make changes to what you want reported by clicking on your column selections. So in this specific report, you'll see that we have access to multiple rolling time periods as well as multiple channels. So your column selections will be dependent on the data that's available for your given region. So in addition to your rolling time periods, we can also report a 10-year sales history view, a 4-week view. We can look at promotional information if the data is available. We can also report sales per period for both last year and this year, in addition to our rolling period market share reports. To make a selection, simply place a check mark in the header that you would like to see, or remove it if you do not want it to appear on the report. Now, the summary is going to be grouped according to your grouping selections here. So in this case, we have our default of segments, but if I wanted to look at it by category, I can simply select category and it's going to change the way in which the report is laid out. Now it's going to be based on a category view. Now I can make further filtering options by selecting my different filters to the right. So our measurement types within ezfocus are actual cases, line leader cases, and dollar sales. So if I wanted to report on line leader cases, then I can simply make the change and the report will update and now recalculate based on line leader cases. Depending on your portfolio, you might want to narrow down your selection based on the segments. So if I'm more interested in looking at how the wine is performing, then I can simply make that selection here. Again, you can look at various categories, subcategories, country of origin if it's applicable to what you're looking at. You can narrow down by supplier, type, size, and also make agent selections and price band selections. Now, once you've made your changes to your options, simply refresh the data and the data will refresh. Now, you'll notice to the right of my refresh option, we have the star, which will add the report to a favorite. You can export the report to either Excel or PDF. You can also remove your filtering options and then you can set your preferences. So if you find that this is going to be a standard report, you're changing the default layout and you want this to always appear every time you run this report, that's when you would click on Set Preferences. You're going to get a green ribbon confirming that your preferences have been set. Now you'll notice that on this report, we have various items that are highlighted in blue, which means that we can then further drill down on our options. Now, because when we enter in the market report and we go to summary by category, you'll notice that this is not a SKU level report. If you look at your options here, you don't have the ability to drill down or group at the SKU level. So this is where your drill down now will allow you to access SKU level reports. So if you wanted to focus in on a specific category, you simply click on that category and now it's going to reopen a new report that's going to be now based on SKU level information. Once you access the report, again, you can use your filtering options and you can use your groupings to change the actual layout of the report. So if you know that you wanted to now group the report according to your supplier, then you can just click on that and then it's going to now reorder the brands according to the supplier grouping. So here you have the ability to both access top-line market information for both different channels and different time periods, and then to narrow down and make it more specific, you can drill down on your category or you can drill down under your general list options and your SKU level options, and that will open up a SKU level report. So again, once you get into the report itself, you have the ability to, again, make changes to the report layout based on additional filtering options, and you can save preferences. You can do the same thing once you get into the drill down option of saving it to your favorites or even refreshing the report within. So at a high level, your market report summary by category will take you to a general market overview, and you want to then use your filtering and grouping options and your column selections to make it a custom report according to how you would like to see the market data.